How to change payment on Vinted. Hello friends, if you want to know how you can change payment on Vinted, ensure you watch this video to the end. Now the first thing to do is to log in into your Vinted account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Now on this page you can see your different logo, you can see your logo, your Vinted logo, you can see the different options by the right side, and then you can see your addresses as well. So once you can see this, the next step is to move to the top right side of the screen where you can see the profile icon. Click on it. In the box displayed, ensure that you click on settings. After clicking on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, by the right side of the screen, you'll see options like profile details, account settings, shipping, payments, bundle discounts, notifications, etc. Just go ahead and click on payments. After clicking on payments, you will revert to the payments page. On this page, you can see payment options, add new card. Now, for you to want to change your payment method, it means that you must have added a card before. If you've added a card before, you'll only see you'll see the card details being displayed, and then you see the option add new card. Just go ahead and click on add new card, and then in the window displayed there, type out the card number, the expiration date, the security code. Click on use card, and then just like that, the card will be added. The same thing applies to the bank account. Just click on add bank account, and then you'll be redirected to the bank account details page where you can go ahead and add your bank account. And then once you're done, click on save, and just like that, your payment method would be updated. So this is how you can change payment method on your Vinted account. Thanks for watching, and ensure you have a good day.